Hey, welcome back to another Create with Jeff video. Let me show you something I figured out recently. I remembered this tool in Procreate. It makes it easy to draw and have a reference picture for your drawings to make it more accurate. So you go to the top left, there's a wrench icon and you can click reference. In the middle of the menu, you click that on, and then reference allows you to have this square, an extra space for an image, like I do right now. I'm drawing some fan art from the new Spider-Man movie. Well, not from, of. So in case you want to see different parts of your canvas, you can click on canvas and see different parts of your drawing. And image allows you to import something from your camera roll and not have to go to the internet to look something up. All right, that's all for today. Hope this was useful and stay tuned for more videos. Right, later. Have a good one.